Well, hi guys. Well, I found this adorable leaf mold, and yes, I know what it is, but I have a friend who is going to absolutely love this. And I want to do something creative with it and not just pour one color. So I'm going to do a few different things here and then see how it mixes in the mold. So I'm going to start with this green foil that's getting everywhere, but that's okay. And I'm going to have that be my first layer because this mold is an upside down mold. So what we pour in first will be the top. So this first layer, I have not added any color to, just this green foil. And it's just going to be a thin layer. And I'm just going to give it a minute to level out while I mix the next layer. This is a lot of different sizes of green glitters. And I think I'm going to add just a drop or two of green color. This is just Let's Resin alcohol ink. Okay, and now I'm going to do pretty much the same thing with this little cupful of glitter resin. And I don't know if they will mix together or not. This is totally an experiment. It would have been nice if I could have been a little bit neater with my pour, but that's okay. Okay, for this layer, I'm going to do a slightly different shade of green, just because I want some contrast. This one still says it's green by Let's Resin, but it has a little bit more blue in it. So I'm not sure why it looks different. Okay, and then I'm not going to add any glitter to this. I just want a straight color. It looks like some of our glitter is floating, but most of it is staying down at the bottom of the mold, it looks like. Now for the bottom of the mold, I'm going with the bright green and more of this green foil. And I'm just going to start filling the mold at this point, although I don't think I have enough in this cup, but that's okay, because there's more that I'm going to do. And it's all just kind of flowing and mixing, and that's what I want. There's more than one shade of green in a leaf. So I like what's happening here. So now I've mixed up more green, and some white. And I'm gonna try something here. It's a technique we've seen a lot, but not in something like this. At least I've never seen it in something like this. So I'm gonna pour my white in the leaf shapes. Oh, my arm just hit the lamp. That didn't work so well. Okay, I know that doesn't look real pretty, but you know the colors and the resins move after we're done anyway. So nothing ever stays the way you make it. Okay, now we're going to pour some green in the white. And that does not look very nice and neat. It looks extremely messy. But that's okay, because now we're going to come back with the white and we're going to do it again. And I could be totally ruining this, or I could be making something absolutely beautiful. We won't know until tomorrow. And we'll find out together. Because right now it is not looking so good. But I'm gonna have faith here. A little more green. A little more white. What do you think? Looks pretty awful right now. The mold is not quite full, so I think I need to do it one more time. And then back with the white. And I'm going to call that done. And we'll see what we get when we come back tomorrow. So keep your fingers crossed. And, oh, I'm just not sure that is done. What do you all think? Should I give it a swirl and see what happens? Or should I leave it alone? I wish I could ask you. I wish you could tell me. Let's see. I think I'm going to give it a swirl. I'm going to be brave. So I think I'm going to go down right here, and I'm just going to give it a little swirl like that. Well, I've either made a heck of a mess or I've made something very beautiful. We will find out together tomorrow. So bye-bye for now. Well, good morning. So when we left this yesterday, I was really disappointed in the way it looked. And I have it covered right now because you're really going to be surprised. I accidentally left the camera running when I walked away from it. And so I just want to show you a quick time lapse of what happened in the next 10 minutes after I walked away. So now I'm going to uncover it because this is amazing. This looks so beautiful, and it changed so much after I walked away from it. Look at this. Look at the color changes. I'm absolutely in love with this, and I hope the other side looks as good. Okay, so I'm purposely not seeing the inside. Are you ready? Here goes. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is beautiful. I've got to zoom in on that. That is gorgeous. Look at the color in that. It doesn't have the same striations that the bottom does, but it turned out so nice. I am in love with that. So when I poured it in the layers, I wanted this part to be darker, and it kind of mixed more than I expected. But I think it turned out really nice. It's very even throughout. I really, really am pleased with how that turned out. It's so glittery. We've got all that green foil and all the different kinds of glitter. I wish there was a little bit more foil in here, but I'm still thrilled with the way it turned out. I think my friend is just gonna love that. So that's my project for today. And if you like that as much as I do, please hit like and subscribe, and join me next time for another wonderful project. So I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.